Hello and welcome to Geekatplay Studio Tutorials. In this set of tutorials, we're going to look on the Set.a.Light 3D from Elixir company. And reason is why I will start using these applications that many times when I go set up photo shoot, I kind of try to set up lighting and you have a time experiment. Or this application is help you to actually preset some lightings in the way you want it, print out or save, and when you're going on photo shoot, you actually can have it pages or you have it some information that you already can work on the lights, and it will help. Of course, any application does not replacement for real experience and playing with the lights due to some variabilities that we'll look later in tutorials, but overall these ones it help you to kind of understand some of the lighting positions, angles, and also help nice book of the light sketches for upcoming photo shoot or some other ways you want to do. So you can download it 15-day trial from the Elixir website, and they have two versions, basic and a studio. The overall basic versions, it's almost same as studio except it's what called crippleware that I not necessarily like it. For example, they're limited to 5 lights in basic versus unlimited in a studio. Room size preset in a basic versus in a studio you have it size you want it or import. Overall, it's same features. It's only they kind of trim down and crippleware make them not fully functional. So I'm not big fan of this type of updates. I prefer if these have it more features, have it same as in the basic, but included something more to this, not just make it basic version purposely less usable with some items. So but overall it's still good, and I'm going to use it just basic version for tutorials. So in case if you just downloaded or bought it, this one, it's about $30 something, $40 and 170, 130 depending on a sale for the studio. So I don't see big difference, and basic will work most of the time. You do limit it with 5 lights, which I find out in most cases 5 lights work fine, but you also can modify more. So let's go ahead and set up our first project.